What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how I can't I post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Most of us get us on this difficulty that we can't post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. So all you need to do is just follow the information I'm going to show you now, and if you haven't followed our channel yet, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video. Head over to your Instagram app. Once you're there, make sure this is the right Instagram account you have logged in into. I mean your desired one. So as you can see, there are some people who can post more than 10 pictures. Like, let me show you these actress ones. Like here, if you see, she can post more than 10 pictures. So see, in here she has posted 20 pictures, but in some region the thing is that we can't post more than 10. What happens here is Instagram doesn't allow us to post more than 10 in some regions. So make sure you belong to that specific region where Instagram allows to post you more than 10. So yeah, that's the information right now. And yeah, hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned with us for more tech tips and tricks.